Have you ever walked into a space so well designed that it makes you question why anyone needs a big house in the first place? Today, you are stepping into a world where creativity meets efficiency, where every square foot is intentional, and where small living is anything but limiting. It is next level. From architectural designs that bend light in unexpected ways to modular homes packed with luxury kitchens and smart layouts, these are not just tiny houses. They are a whole new way of living. Stay with me, because what you are about to see will completely change the way you think about space, design, and what a home can truly be. What if your home did not just sit on the land, but felt like it belonged there, shaped by nature itself? That is the idea behind the Pebl Grand by Hello Wood, a next-generation modular tiny house with an organic, Pebl-inspired design that looks more like modern art than a typical home. Inside, it offers about 220 square feet, yet the layout is engineered to feel surprisingly spacious, with every inch used efficiently. The exterior is fully customizable with finishes like mirror, wood, stone, or aluminum, allowing it to blend into nature or stand out as a bold statement. Built with cross-laminated timber, the structure is strong, durable, and sustainable, supported by insulation and weather protection for year-round comfort. The interior includes a king-size bed, a compact kitchenette with a dining area, and a full bathroom. Those large glass openings bring in natural light and open up wide views, creating a strong connection to the outdoors. Some versions even feature a panoramic infrared sauna for added comfort. Installation is just as impressive, using a ground screw foundation instead of concrete for faster setup and minimal environmental impact. This is what happens when luxury meets true independence. No hookups, no dependency, just pure off-grid freedom. Meet the EO Canopy by Electric Outdoors, a next-generation, self-sufficient glamping platform designed for people who want comfort without relying on traditional infrastructure. This is not a tiny house in the usual sense. It is a fully integrated off-grid system built to handle everything on its own. Power, water, waste, and connectivity, all packed into one mobile, high-tech unit. At the top, a solar tracking roof captures significantly more energy than standard fixed panels, feeding a powerful 154 kilowatt-hour battery system. That kind of storage can run appliances, lighting, and even support EV charging through 30 amp and 50 ampere outlets. Water is generated on-site using an atmospheric water generator. Cease producing purified water daily, supported by a 100-gallon freshwater tank. That means you're not dependent on external water sources to stay comfortable. Inside, you get a wet bath with a shower and an incineration toilet, eliminating the need for plumbing or sewage connections. It is designed to function completely on its own, wherever you place it. Connectivity is also built in, with satellite internet and a smart IoT system that keeps everything running efficiently and monitored in real time. Built in southeast Michigan and weighing around 6,000 pounds, the EO Canopy is engineered for off-grid deployment without the need for a foundation or permanent infrastructure. You can set it up in remote locations and still have the essentials of modern living at your fingertips. Step inside a space that proves you do not need a massive house to live large. The Lunar Park Model Home, created by New Frontier Design in collaboration with Zook Cabins, is a park model tiny house that blends modern architecture with real-world livability. At around 396 square feet, with dimensions of 11 by 36 feet, it offers a layout that feels open and functional instead of cramped. The standout feature is its sleek, contemporary design with full glass walls that flood the interior with natural light and create a strong indoor-outdoor connection. Inside, the open floor plan is built for comfort, featuring quartz countertops, ample storage, and a full-size shower, details that push it far beyond a typical tiny home. The structure is built on a heavy-duty metal frame with durable metal exterior siding. It was designed for long-term performance and low maintenance. Whether used as a full-time residence, Airbnb rental, guest house, or vacation retreat, it delivers a balance of style, space, and practicality, proving that compact living can still feel premium. Most tiny houses feel like a compromise until you step into one that feels like a real home. And this right here, this one quietly resets everything you thought a mini house could be. The Rockwood Model Home by Zook Cabins is a modern park model tiny house built for full-time comfort, long stays, and even rental income. Not a stripped-down build, but a fully functional home. It measures about 12 feet wide and 40 feet long, offering roughly 399 square feet of interior space, right at the upper limit of park model living. It sits on a transportable chassis and is built to ANSI 119.5 standards, meeting strict requirements for structure, plumbing, and electrical systems. From the outside, it stands out with a sloped roofline, clean architectural lines, and a 6-foot covered porch that extends your living space outdoors. Or step inside and it stops feeling tiny. The open concept layout connects the living room, kitchen, and dining area into one bright, continuous space. You get a private bedroom with enough room to move around a queen-size bed, a full bathroom that feels complete, not compromised, and smart storage integrated throughout. The kitchen is built for real daily use, not just looks, while the overall layout is designed to deliver comfort, functionality, and a true home-like experience within a compact footprint. Canoe Bay Escape Tiny Homes. Tucked into over 100 acres of forest, wetlands, and private lakes in Wisconsin, the Canoe Bay Escape Tiny Homes are not just places to live. They are a whole new way to live small, breathe deeper, and feel completely connected to nature. These homes come in multiple models, typically ranging from 136 to 400 square feet. Park model units reach the upper end of that range, while travel-style versions are slightly smaller but still fully functional. Built on trailer-based chassis, they offer mobility and flexibility, whether used as a permanent home, vacation retreat, or movable investment. Step inside and expectations change instantly. These are not stripped-down microspaces. They are designed for real living. You get a full kitchen with standard appliances, sees a complete bathroom with a shower and toilet, and sleeping options with king or queen-size beds. The open living area includes space for a couch, table, and built-in storage, while large panoramic windows bring in natural light and frame the surrounding landscape. And because these homes are part of a managed community, owners have the option to place them into rental programs, turning a compact living space into a potential income-generating asset. Beauer 3X, designed by Eric Beau in France, is not your typical tiny home. It stays ultra-compact on the road, then expands in seconds into a full living space, giving you the freedom to travel without giving up comfort. Closed, it measures about 12.8 feet in length and 6.5 feet in width. Once expanded, it stretches to 15.1 feet wide, increasing its living space from roughly 43 square feet to 129 square feet. More than a threefold expansion powered by a patented telescopic system with sliding side modules. This is not just a concept, it is built with serious engineering. The structure uses an aluminum and polyester composite frame with integrated insulation for durability and weather protection. Depending on the configuration, it weighs between 2,094 and 2,976 pounds, thus keeping it light enough for towing while still strong enough for repeated expansion. Inside, the layout transforms into 4 functional zones: a living area with seating for up to 6 people, a convertible dinette that doubles as a second bed, a private bedroom with a double bed, and a compact bathroom with a toilet and optional shower. It comfortably sleeps up to 4 people, making it practical for both travel and short stays. Exbury Egg, conceived by artist Stephen Turner in collaboration with Pairing Architecture plus design and boat builder Paul Baker, is a floating egg-shaped tiny home located on the Beauer River in Hampshire, UK. It is both a living space and an environmental experiment, designed to exist in harmony with the tides. Measuring about 6 meters long and 2.8 meters wide, it features a compact yet highly functional footprint built for life on water. The structure is made from cold molded plywood and reclaimed cedar timber, creating a lightweight, buoyant, and fully waterproof shell that rises and falls with the tide. Rather than being fixed in place, it is tethered in a tidal estuary, allowing it to float at high tide and rest on the riverbed at low tide, giving it a unique living relationship with its environment. Inside, the layout is simple but purposeful. It includes a desk for work, a hammock for sleeping, a small kitchenette with a basic stove and sink, and a wet room with a shower and portable toilet. Storage is divided into wet and dry sections to handle life in a constantly changing environment. The Exbury Egg operates completely off-grid, using solar power to charge devices like phones and laptops, with no direct connection to electricity or running water. Water must be sourced externally. Nestron Legend L1. Nestron L1 is a fully prefabricated modular tiny home built by Nestron, delivering a complete, efficient, and durable plug-and-play living experience in a compact footprint. Measuring about 23 feet long, 11 feet wide, and 10 feet tall, it offers roughly 254 square feet of living space while weighing around 5 tons. Despite its compact size, it is built to last, backed by a 50-year structural guarantee and designed with termite-resistant materials for long-term durability. Inside, the layout is fully optimized. You get a living area with a sofa and dining space, a built-in kitchen with cabinets, sink, range hood, and your choice of electric or gas stove, plus a water heater. The bedroom features a fixed bed with a wardrobe and a bar counter, while the bathroom includes a shower, toilet, towel rack, and a custom wash basin cabinet. It also supports eco-friendly upgrades, including solar power systems and electric floor heating, making it suitable for off-grid or energy-efficient living. The open concept design connects all spaces seamlessly, while the durable exterior ensures minimal maintenance over time. Escher Tiny Home takes the idea of minimal living and flips it into something that feels open, refined, and surprisingly expansive from the moment you step inside. Built by New Frontier Design, this luxury tiny home offers around 300 square feet of interior space on a 33-foot triple-axle trailer, giving it both strength and mobility without sacrificing comfort. Even with its compact footprint, it can sleep up to 6 people, thanks to multiple sleeping zones and intelligently designed loft areas. Inside, the experience is elevated by a gourmet chef's kitchen, complete with premium appliances, a farmhouse-style sink, and custom cabinetry, built for real cooking, not just storage. At the front, a garage-style glass door opens the entire space to the outdoors, all flooding the interior with natural light and creating a seamless indoor-outdoor flow that makes the home feel far larger than it is. The main living and dining area is flexible and thoughtfully designed, adapting easily whether you are entertaining guests or relaxing. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with integrated storage, offering a private and comfortable retreat, while an additional loft provides extra sleeping space for family or visitors. The bathroom continues the same level of quality, with a tiled shower, modern fixtures, and a clean, hotel-like design that keeps everything feeling polished and practical. What if a tiny home did not feel tiny at all, but instead gave you the space, comfort, and functionality of a full-sized house, just without the extra weight? The Dogwood modular tiny home delivers exactly that, redefining compact living by blending modular flexibility with the feel of a traditional home. Built by Mustard Seed Tiny Homes, this design stretches the limits of tiny living with roughly 750 to 754 square feet of interior space, all within an efficient 52-foot by 14-foot footprint. Inside, the layout feels instantly familiar, yet far more intentional. The open concept living area easily accommodates standard furniture, while large windows and French doors flood the space with natural light, creating a bright, open atmosphere that connects you to the outdoors. At the heart of the home is a full-sized kitchen with a large island, full appliances and generous counter space, built for real cooking, hosting and everyday living, not downsizing your lifestyle. The design continues with 2 main floor bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, offering privacy, comfort and practicality for families or shared living. A spacious loft adds even more versatility, whether you need extra sleeping space, storage, or a dedicated workspace. Outside, the modern wood siding and clean architectural lines give it a warm, contemporary look that pairs perfectly with its large windows and open feel. Thanks for watching, and if you felt your mind stretch a little, or a lot today, hit that like button to let me know you want more content just like this. Drop a comment telling me which mini house blew your mind the most, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an episode of the most inspiring tiny home tours on YouTube. We've only scratched the surface of amazing design. Next time, we go even deeper.